Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy T-Rex here again, and today we will attempt to install a Demon Eye. Here is my light at the moment. As you watch my latest video, I just fixed the lazy eye on this one. So now we are gonna go on attempt to install a Demon Eye. I already bought it. It's actually here. So we will install it and get you guys updated. So peace out. Bye. Here you go, it's your boy T-Rex back again. As you can see, the Demon Eye is already installed and it's a full RGB color, whichever color you want, and there's mode where you can choose, and there we go, installed. Well, halfway through, we haven't finished the build yet. We haven't done the other light. As you can see, it's still there, so we still need to install that one. And if you guys want to see this, obviously this will be a lot noticeable in the evening, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you want this installed to your car, just hit me up. 2006, 2009 BMW, from 2008 to 2009 BMW E92. You know who to call. This is your boy T-Rex signing off. Bye bye. Hey YouTube, we just finished installing the Demon Eye. I'm with Cedric's camera. Say hello, Cedric. And I will show you what it looks like now. Angel eyes is quite bright. I will show you up close. Here you go, you can choose any color you want. There's mode as well, change, jump, flash, and yeah, it took me kind of whole day to get it because the first time I installed it, but as it goes on, it will be faster next time. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to make one for your car, don't hesitate to contact me. And this is your boy T-Rex and Cedric's Gamer signing off. Peace bomb.